friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about how to sort the table data from the Python application. So using the order by statement to sort the result in ascending or descending order. So the order by keyword sorts the result ascending by default. If you want to sort the result in descending order, we need to use the DESC, which stands for descending keyword. So basically we know the 4 steps that we need to follow to connect to the MySQL database from Python application. So first step is to import the MySQL.connector. So we have imported that particular package. After that we need to create the connection object using the connect method, and the connect method takes the parameters like host, which is the localhost value. After that username, which is the username that you are using to connect the MySQL workbench. So this is our MySQL workbench, and while login through this MySQL workbench you will be asked to enter the username and password while installing, so that details you need to provide. And inside that database, if you want to connect to a specific database, so that database you can also specify. So in this video I have connected to MyDB database. So as you have seen the previous video, we were connecting to MyDB database only, and we have one table into this database which is student. And after that the third step is to connect the cursor object. So we know using the cursor method we can connect the cursor object, and with the help of this variable we can execute the queries, which is our final step to execute the MySQL queries. So let's start with the order by statement, which will be used to sort the result. Before that, let me show you the data which is available inside the student table now. So this is our student table which has 2 columns, name and roll number. So these are the names and these are the roll numbers. So already roll numbers are in ascending format, like starting from the lowest value increasing till the highest value, which is 50 here. And names are in different format, like it is not sorted alphabetically. So let's sort this data in alphabetical order with the help of order by keyword. So let's execute this statement. So here we know how to execute this statement with the help of this cursor object cur.execute. And here you need to provide the SQL statement. So SQL statement is select, which is similar that we get to fetch all the records from the table. Select star from table name, which is student, and then you need to specify the order by keyword, order by, and here you need to specify the column name, that order you want to specify. So here we want to specify with the help of name. So let's provide here name. So this is our SQL statement. After that we will get the result in this cursor object, and here you need to fetch all the data. So we know how to fetch it with the help of cursor.fetchall. So we have seen this in the select statement also, and you need to store it into some variable. So I am naming the variable as result. You can provide any name of your choice. Once we get the result, then we can use the for loop to print inside the console. So for x in result, so whatever the data is available in the result, we will print that, and we will say print x. So let's see whether we are getting the correct output or not. Let's save it and run now. So see, we are getting here output, and as you can see here we are getting the first data as ABC, while you can see in the table the first entry we have done is John, then Tom, then 2 entries for Sam, then ABC and XYZ. But in the result here, as we have used the order by statement, by default it will be sorting with the ascending order. So first data we are getting for A name, then G, then S. It is alphabetical order now, as you can see, and the last entry is for letter X. If you want the order in descending order, you can specify that also with the help of descending keyword. So how to specify that? After your SQL query, you just need to say here DESC, which stands for descending. Once you provide this value, then the data will be sorted in descending order. Let's save this and run now. So see, now the first entry that we are getting is XYZ, and then in the reverse order, then T till the last value is for letter A. Now our data is sorted in descending order. What another thing you can do here, you can also try for the column name roll number. So as we can see here, we have the data for roll number 10, 20 till 50, which is already in ascending order. We can specify it to descending order and say here the column name as roll number. Let's save this and run now. So see, as the data is sorted in descending order, the first entry we are getting for roll number 50, then 40, then 30, 20 and 10. So in this way you can sort your data with the help of order by statement. Another thing you can do here, instead of directly passing this SQL query to this execute method, you can copy this statement and entire SQL query, and you can store it in some variable. Let's say SQL is the name of variable, and you are storing that string inside this SQL, and then you can pass this SQL variable to this execute statement and run now. So we will get the same output. Actually we have done the same thing, but here we are using one variable for storing the SQL query, and that query we are passing here. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.